All right, guys, let's get started. So, my name is Ty. This is the topic today will be futures trading for beginners using prop firm. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of DM messages on how to get started. You know, so this is the basic information on how you get started, and throughout the slide, you will see what prop firm is and if this interests you and where to begin. Before I continue, I am not a financial advisor, and what I say and do are for entertainment purpose only. I have to say that, okay? So it's day trading for you. Ask yourself that. What is, maybe you don't know what day trading is, but I'll go through it and just keep that back hand. Is this for you? Is this something you can do? 99% of traders fail in day trading, especially the first year, second year. They've never reached that profitable level because yes, trading, clicking a button on mouse, that's simple. Anybody can do it, right? Simple. But to learn the skill how to recharge information, economic news, all that stuff, making a sound decision, there's a lot of emotional setbacks you have to learn. A lot of things you have to control, set rules you have to set for yourself, not to be greedy, not to be overconfident, all those things, strategies, before you become a profitable trader. There's a lot of things to learn, but once you harness all that and perfect it, trading is like probably one of the best things you can learn and perfect as a skill, and then you can do you pretty much stop working, like stop your day job and just trade for a living. Honestly, do you have the extra time and day? Do you have extra money to invest into this new skill? Because you're gonna need to invest some time to learn how to trade. You're gonna have some screen time. You're gonna be watching the chart. You guys, everything's gonna be new to you, right? So you need to put some time and effort into learning it. You also have to invest in some money to get started because nothing's free. And then once you, let's say, get started, you gotta ask yourself like, what's your reason you want to start trading, and then what's your end goal, right? You have a reason why you want to keep pushing yourself, because there's gonna be days where you're gonna doubt yourself. You ask yourself, why am I doing this? Why am I wasting all this money? You have to dig deep inside and face the man in the mirror. Do you want to quit? Do you want to continue? I know I've gone through that a lot of times when I start trading. I've lost a lot of money when I started trading. I think 3 years ago, at least, I started trading option, penny stock. Trust me, I lost a lot of money. But I kept going, I kept pushing. And once I discovered prop firm was when things turned around for me. Now I'm a better trader. I'm more profitable. Even my option trading is a lot better now. So yeah. So what is prop firm and what are futures, right? Prop firm is, I'll get into detail with that, but pretty much there's a lot of prop firms out there. All of them have their own rules and regulations and stuff like that. Just be careful. Some are legit. Some are just a bunch of new ones pop up where it's just hit and miss, and they'll probably just take your money. But prop firm that I'm going to talk about only is Topstep. I'm not paid by them. There's no affiliate account. Nothing. I'm doing this all because I want to teach you guys or educate you guys at least on what it is and if it interests you. Okay, so I'm going to talk about prop firm is Topstep. That's the company I'm talking about. Okay, Topstep prop firm beginning summary. What is Topstep? Right, Topstep is a priority trading firm. It's a prop firm. It helps beginner traders get funded through them by giving you their capital to trade with, so that you will eventually become a live funded trader with Topstep. Simple enough. Pretty much, it's a company giving you money to trade. Simply that. But there are some catches. Obviously, this sounds so good to be true. Why would somebody give me money to trade? Right? Well, of course, there's some catches. How it works? This is a simple breakdown. You sign up, choose a simulation account. could be, they call it a combine account, 50K, 100K, etc. There's a 50K, 100K, and 150K account. Your goal is in each account, your first phase is called evaluation phase. It's a combine. You buy that, you pass the test, meaning you get 50K. They want you to make $3,000 within that month. Once you make $3,000 within a month, they'll pass you. You move into the next stage. You pay another fee of $149 for a sim funding account. They call that XFA account. From there on, you get $2,000 drawdown, meaning you get $2,000 to work with. Now, in that XFA account, you're expected to make at least $200 or more each day for 5 days. Doesn't have to be consecutive winning days, but at least have 5 winning days before you get a payout, which means they will pay you money, but only 50% of that profit. Let's say in 5 days you made $10,000 within a week. That's 5 winning days. You can take out $5,000 if you made $10,000. That's 50%. Real money into your account. Yes, you heard that right. Real money into your account. And you're still trading a sim funded account, meaning you're not trading real money yet. It's still paper money. But now, let's say you're still in the XFA account, you're doing great. You took 5 payouts already, okay, in that one account. Topstep is going to email you like, hey, we've seen you doing great. We want to transition you into a live funded account. Now they want to take you and let you trade for them for real money. So all that money you made within that account, within that month, is going to be moved over, transferred over to real money into a live funded account with them to trade live. Okay? So for the first $10,000, I believe, it's 100% yours. So $10,000 of profit, whatever you withdraw, you keep 100% of that. Now after $10,000, whatever you make, it's a 90-10 split. And you keep 9%, they take 10%. That's their cut. Sounds fair to me. I think I already summarized all that. Yeah, okay. So let's just go to Topstep website to break it down further. So this is Topstep website. This is how it should look like. You can also sign for the new dashboard. It's a lot better. But if you're not accepted yet, don't worry. You can still use the old dashboard. Log in, create an account. They're gonna have to verify you. You have to fill some tax information because everything gets taxed. You will get a 1099 from them, so you can fill your taxes, obviously. So you know it's legit, right? These are the account size: 50K, 100K, 150K. This is the first step. Evaluate. You pick one. Once you log in, you pick up one. Your profit target. Here it says. You need information, just click here. It'll tell you what that all means. You get 50K account, this is all paper money for now. It doesn't, don't worry about it. They're not losing anything. It's not real money they're giving you. They want you to trade until you make $3,000 on this paper account. Once you make $3,000, don't go over more than that. Just at least 3,000, 3,050, doesn't matter, something like that around there. You will pass. Okay, great. You pass. But if you lose 2,000 to drawdown, your max loss is $2,000. So if you actually lost $2,000, then you blew this account up. It has to either be reset, meaning you have to buy it again, or you have to purchase a new combine for $9, or you just wait until your billing cycle renew itself. Because these are all subscription based. Everything is monthly subscription based, right? But once you pass an account, you don't get rebuilt. That's it. You don't get rebuilt again. You just pass that account. That means once you pass this account, you pay $149 for a sim funding account, and that's when everything you start to make start to count towards that as a payout. Get what I'm saying? See, all trades are paid a one-time $4 activation fee per express account. See here? So your total investment so far, let's say you pass this account combine, and you pay the activation fee, that's $200. So your total investment so far is $200 to get to the point where you get payouts. I don't know what you about. That is a reasonable price to get into trading. Back in the days, you didn't have prop firm like this. You had to put your own money into a brokerage account to trade, and you had to put at least $1,000 in just to trade a margin account. Okay, and if you blew that money, that's real money you blew up. You blew up $1,000. But here, your risk is total risk is $200. That's your total risk. Think about that. $200 for you to exponentially make as much as you want until they call you to live and continue to make money with it, right? That's the cost of your education. That's the cost for you to learn, because their software is really good. They have a lot of things to help you learn, continue to trade along. And even though let's say you blow this account up, doesn't mean you can't still trade with them. You still trade, and they have a practice account where you continue to practice and harness your skills until you're ready to, okay, you feel like I'm ready to start over. I'll buy in the Combine account, start over, let me try pass it again. You see what I'm saying? So it's legit good, like, opportunity to get into trading for a very low price. $200. You just can't beat that. Everything else is just a little bit more expensive. That's because there's more. You want to trade with more capital. This is $6,000 to pass, $9,000 to pass. Obviously, you have to do a little bit better, trade more. But your starting capital, your starting capital is more. So you would get $3,000 to start here. You get $4,500 to start here in your SimFund account or XFA. Okay. Let me try to log in and show you. Here, start a Combine. You click that yellow tab on top. You select what you want to buy. You select that, right? And then this is very important. Make sure you have Topstep X clicked. This is the trading platform that they have. It's very user friendly. I love it. I'll go into detail about that in the next video. If you guys don't know how to trade, how to read charts, stuff like that, that's more advanced. But yeah, just make sure your Topstep X is chosen, and then check on dashboard right here. Fill out your information, and boom, you have created a Combine account. You're in. You're ready to trade. All right. That's it for this video, guys. You got any questions, comments? Obviously, just comment below. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. I will provide more and more videos out there later on to teach you guys how to trade. Some of my strategies that I've taken to take multiple payouts from Topstep. I'm not just saying off my ass. If you knew me, you saw my Facebook post. I post it every day. That's not to brag. That's just tell you guys what is possible. You know, I'm presenting you what is possible if you put your mind through it and push, persevere. Here are all my payouts. I'm waiting on this last one. I just submitted. It's got pretty much waiting for finance processing, and then they'll send my fund, right? So here's the payout. April, 1,600. May's been good to me. 1,200, 1,100, 1,200, 1,700, 1,400. So yeah, that's just a month of May. It's not even over with, right? This is probably the start of the third week of May for me, and I still have 2 XFA left that are doing pretty good. So yeah. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Peace.